my name is Swedanson. I made this robot for our final project. This is the four-legged horse rider robot. Let me show you how it works. So how I made it basically was, I'm not going to talk about this one. I made two sensors. I used two of the sensors. Basically, we do is when this moves, for example, when I tell you the code 55, when it said sub motor to 55, it actually moves this area, resulting in this one also this one moving. And when this one moves, what happens is it goes back. Is again going like this, and then again it goes back like this, resulting in having this kind of motion, resulting in it walking.